Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Keme, and on this video, I'm going to tell you guys what exactly influencer marketing is and influencer marketing strategy. Influencer. Almost, it's hard to pronounce. So, what is influencer marketing? Influencer marketing is a type of digital marketing that uses endorsement and product mentions from influencers. Now you will ask, what are influencers? I've done a video of what influencers are, but let me still explain it here for you guys. Influencers are people who have a high social media following on a particular niche or a particular subject on a particular social media platform. Do you understand? There are also people who are viewed as experts within their niche. Like, people can look at them like, oh, I like how this guy dressed. This guy must be a really good fashionista. That means if this guy tells me, buy this shoe from me, or buy this clothes for me, it must be legit. Basically, that is just the power of influencers. You can be a fashion influencer, food influencer, travel influencer. Travel influencer in the sense that you can say, okay, I went to this place in the Maldives and this place is really nice, and your followers will look at you and say, oh, if this person is saying this place is really nice, I think this is where I want to go and spend my honeymoon or my next birthday. So that is just the power of influencers. Now, as a brand, working with influencers serve as like a social proof. Meaning, if you own a fashion brand and a social media influencer, like let's see Alex Costa recommends that, oh, I got this shoe from Keme fashion brand and I would like you guys to buy it with my promo code, this one and that one. People will see your product as legit because Alex Costa is recommending your product to them. So they will see it or more. If Alex Costa is recommending this product to me, that means this product is definitely legit. Now, let's dive into our influencer marketing strategy. The first thing you need to do on your strategy is find your influencer. So now, all influencers, because some people work with multiple influencers at the same time. So now you need to look for an influencer that is related to your niche. If you're in fashion, travel, lifestyle, food, tech, you need to find a certain influencer that is related to that kind of niche. Because you can't give a food influencer your new smartphone to help you promote. It won't work because his or her followers are not really, they're following the person not because of tech, but because of food. You get? So they won't really pay attention to whatever she's saying about tech. Next is to set a budget for what you want to pay the influencer. That means you have to talk with the influencer and be like, okay, this is what we have to offer. How much do you want us to charge you for this? And you guys will talk about pricing and the rest. You have to set. Now, while talking about the digital marketing campaign for your company or for your brand or for your product, you have to set money aside for this influencer marketing. Now, if what the influencer is calling is more than your budget, you can negotiate or you can just choose to go with another influencer. So that is it. Next, decide on your goal and what you want from this particular marketing campaign. Because some people want turnover. Some people want, like, okay, if I'm giving you my product to do a review and I'm paying you money to do a review, I want to see an increase in sales. Or some people just want the reach. Some people just want people to just see whatever product. They don't even care about the sale. They just want the impression on their particular product. So you have to talk with your influencer and talk about your goals. You even what the catch up or the pickup line that the influencer is going to use when talking about the product. You have to talk about that with your influencer. And the last thing to do is to monitor your influencer. Pay attention to your influencer. Make sure he or she is doing whatever you say you want he or she to do. Make sure he's not breaking the rules. Make sure he's not going against community guidelines. Make sure he's not talking bad about your product. Now, you can talk, some influencers will tell you that, bro, if your product is trash, I will tell my audience that your product is trash. Now, that one you will know. But if he didn't tell you that he's going to do that kind of thing, now all of a sudden you're giving your product, you pay him money and he's talking trash about your product, that is bad. You can decide not to even pay him completely if in your contract you'll be like, okay, I'll pay you half and I'll pay you half later. So yeah, you have to monitor your influencer. Make sure he's sticking to your community guidelines. That is it on this video. Make sure you hit the like button, smash it, scatter it, break it, decimate it. Do whatever you want to do with it. I remain your boy OG Keme, and I'll see you on another video. Wait, before I say peace, go and check other videos on my channel and hit the subscribe button. Smash it and scatter it. And I'll see you on another video.